Hello fellow explorers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are re-embarking on an extraordinary journey to a place that covers nearly 10% of the African continent, yet remains one of its best-kept secrets. Get ready to discover the hidden wonders of the Miombo woodlands. What exactly is Miombo? It's not your typical savanna. Picture a vast expanse of tropical and subtropical grasslands, savannas, and shrublands, dominated by the magnificent Brachystegia and Julbernardia trees. Known locally as Miombo, this unique ecosystem stretches across 11 countries, including Angola, Tanzania, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, creating a world unlike any other. The first thing that strikes you about the Miombo isn't just its sheer size, but its remarkable seasonality. For much of the year, the landscape is dry and seemingly dormant. But when the rains arrive, the transformation is nothing short of magical. The trees burst into life with a flush of new leaves, not just green, but a stunning palette of reds, oranges, and purples, painting the horizon in a fiery display before they mature into their verdant summer coats. It's a spectacle that rivals any autumn foliage display, yet it signals the beginning of life, not its end. This seasonal pulse dictates the rhythm of life for everything here. The Miombo is a true biodiversity hotspot, a term we hear often, but what does it really mean? It means this region is overflowing with species you won't find anywhere else on Earth. It's home to an incredible array of plant life, with over 8,500 species, more than half of which are endemic, meaning they are native only to this specific region. These plants are the foundation of this entire ecosystem, and where there are plants, there are animals. While the Miombo might not have the same density of large game as the Serengeti, its wildlife is uniquely adapted to this challenging environment. It's a crucial stronghold for some of Africa's most iconic and threatened species. Think of the African wild dog, one of the continent's most endangered carnivores. The vast unbroken tracts of Miombo provide the perfect hunting grounds and denning sites for their large cooperative packs. Seeing them move through the dappled sunlight of the woodland is a truly unforgettable experience. Elephants, too, have a special relationship with the Miombo. These intelligent giants navigate the woodlands, their presence shaping the landscape itself. They create pathways, disperse seeds, and their browsing habits help maintain the balance between forest and grassland. The Miombo elephants are masters of survival, adapting their diet to the seasonal availability of food and water. But the wonders don't stop with the megafauna. Look closer, and you'll find a world teeming with smaller, equally fascinating creatures. The Miombo is a paradise for birdwatchers, with hundreds of species, including many Miombo specialists. Birds like the Sousa's shrike, the Miombo rock thrush, and the stunningly beautiful bombsbeater are adapted specifically to this habitat. Their calls and songs are the constant, vibrant soundtrack to any journey through these woods. And we can't forget the insects. The Miombo is famous for its butterflies and its bees. In fact, traditional beekeeping is a way of life for many local communities here. The honey produced from Miombo blossoms is renowned for its rich, unique flavor, a direct taste of this incredible floral diversity. These tiny pollinators are the unsung heroes of the woodland, ensuring the health and regeneration of the entire ecosystem. Perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of the Miombo is the deep connection between the land and its people. For millions, the woodland is not just a backdrop, it's a lifeline. It provides food, medicine, building materials, and spiritual sanctuary. Communities have lived in harmony with this environment for centuries, developing an immense body of traditional knowledge about its plants and animals. They know which roots can provide water in the dry season, which leaves have medicinal properties, and how to sustainably harvest resources like honey and mushrooms. This human element is an inseparable part of the Miombo's story. However, this hidden wonder is facing unprecedented threats. Deforestation for agriculture and charcoal production, uncontrolled fires, and the pressures of a growing population are putting immense strain on the Miombo. As the woodlands shrink, the unique biodiversity they support is pushed closer to the brink. The delicate balance that has existed for millennia is at risk of being lost forever. But there is hope. Conservation organizations, local communities, and national governments are working together to protect this vital ecosystem. They're promoting sustainable land management practices, creating protected areas, and developing community-based conservation initiatives that ensure local people benefit directly from preserving their natural heritage. Projects focusing on sustainable beekeeping or ecotourism are providing alternative/livelihoods that don't harm the woodland. It's a complex challenge, but the will to succeed is strong. So, the next time you think of Africa's wild places, I hope you'll remember the Miombo woodlands. It's more than just a sea of trees. It's a dynamic, breathing ecosystem, a treasure chest of biodiversity, and a testament to the resilience of nature and the deep connection between people and the land. It's a world of subtle beauty and hidden wonders, waiting to be appreciated and, most importantly, protected. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the heart of the Miombo. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button, and consider subscribing for more adventures into the world's incredible wild places. Let us know in the comments if you've ever heard of the Miombo before. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.